We're continuing to track a very serious situation developing across the Central Plains this evening, and we're going to find more in the way of blizzard conditions and severe weather. Here's what's going on right now with the tornado watches. We have a plethora of them stretching from the sections of Nebraska and points southward into Kansas, dealing with the severe weather tonight and the possibility of tornadoes. Let's go ahead and show you the radar right now, and where we do have tornado warnings in effect here. Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County in east central Nebraska, and I'll step out of the way so I can read these off to you. Sapri County in east central Nebraska and eastern Saunders County in east central Nebraska until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So we're continuing to deal with some severe weather here, and what you guys need to do to stay safe is get into an interior room. If not, the best place to go is a basement, and again, just a very serious situation going on here. This tornado is expected to affect us here in South Bend, Nebraska, and even eventually into Omaha, Nebraska. So us here in Omaha need to take cover from the storm. At 5:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado near Murdoch, or at least 20 miles east of Lincoln, and the Doppler radar showed that this tornado is moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. So again, a very serious situation here developing across this region. Take precautionary measures right now before the storm impacts you. Let's go ahead and zoom out Sky Tracker here on this Monday afternoon, and you can see the multifaceted storm we are dealing with here. Notice the snow here across sections of Colorado and Wyoming, points eastward here. South Dakota dealing with that snow, as well here in Pierce, South Dakota, where in fact we saw a wind gust today of 45 miles per hour with heavy snow. Blizzard warnings in effect as we speak, and do not get out and drive in that, because that is a very dangerous thing to do. Conditions are just messy here on this Monday afternoon. We'll bring it out now stateside and show you what else we're dealing with. We're dealing with some rain here in Chicago this afternoon, and a little bit of ice starting to develop here north of Green Bay here. So as temperatures continue to drop, this rain will later change over to some ice and some snow here. And we're going to find some snow pushing into Minneapolis as we move into your Tuesday. And it's going to continue to be a concern here with severe weather pushing eastward here. Maybe even St. Louis being impacted with the severe weather as we push into your Tuesday. So a lot to get through as we move into the early portions of this week. And this storm system will eventually move into the northeast. Let's go there now, where it happened to be a very beautiful day in Norfolk, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and New York City, dealing with sunshine all through the day. Temperatures, though, not feeling spring-like, but we don't expect that to last too long, right? Temperatures will warm back up into the 60s across the mid-Atlantic as we push into the mid-portion of the week. Again, sunshine today and sunshine for us here tomorrow. We'll push into the southeast now, where we're not dealing with too much here. Some light showers around sections of Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, points westward here into Mississippi, dealing with showers right now. We're also dealing with some rains here into Florida and some areas that need the rain, so this is some very beneficial rain here. We've only picked up about roughly 2 inches of rain this year so far in Miami, so this is some very welcomed rains here. And fortunately, we're going to continue to deal with that rain moving into this region. Now we're going to push into the west, where we have a storm system moving on shore here, so finding some rain and some snow for the higher elevations tonight across sections of western Washington, points southward here into western Oregon as well. Portland and Seattle dealing with that rain here, and that rain is going to stretch down into northern California as we move into the evening hours. So a messy day for us here tomorrow. The southwest not dealing with much right now, not expecting to deal with too much here. As Phoenix, we're going to expect some sunshine for your Tuesday. But again, just a very serious situation going on right now. We'll take you back into the Central Plains states, where we right now have, again, a tornado warning for Cass County, southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County and east central Nebraska, Sarpy County and east central Nebraska, and eastern Saunders County here into east central Nebraska. And that is until 5:45 Central Daylight Time. So make sure you take the precautionary measures right now, and this could later affect us here in Omaha, Nebraska. Again, showing you the radar. Vigorous thunderstorms here with the possibility of a tornado on the ground right now, 20 miles east of Lincoln, Nebraska. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. The latest on the severe weather.